today let's start with chapter number 4, landforms. So in this chapter we will study about the different landforms. So let's start with the landforms now. Earth is not even, not uniform or even at all places. So at places it's very, what do we call it? आपने देखा होगा कहीं पे प्लेन एरिया होता है, कहीं पे प्लेट्यू होता है, कहीं पे माउंटेन होता है. So let's study with the major landforms. First is mountain. So mountains are landforms that rise above the area around them. They are very high. Mountain usually has steep and sloping sound. टॉप ऑफ द माउंटेन को क्या कहा जाता है? पीक कहा जाता है. ये कॉनिकल होते हैं और राउंड इन शेप होते हैं. Hills are small mountains that are not very high. A group of mountains that are joined together form mountain range. Himalayas and Andes, these all are the example of mountain ranges. So mountain differ in height and shape. वो differ करते हैं height में, shape में. This happens due to their age. So Himalayas, they are new mountains, so they are high mountain with sharp peak. Right? Aravalli जो है वो old mountains है. Let's study about the importance of mountain. What are mountain ranges? They are natural barriers. They provide protection against harsh, hot and cold climate. They also protect us from invaders. जो invaders होते हैं उनसे हमें protect करते हैं. Right? River originate here and provide water for irrigation and other day-to-day needs of the people. Now many mountain districts, they are famous for holiday resorts where skiing and mountaineer can be enjoyed. The cool climate in summer, what do they do? They attract many tourists. Many mountains are rich in minerals. Rocks from mountains make excellent building material. Now the slopes of mountain have rich pasture land and forest. Agriculture cannot be practiced. यहाँ पे हम agriculture को practice नहीं कर सकते on large scale, right? Due to your unsuitable climate, यहाँ पे land की shortage होती है. Difficulties in transportation. सबसे जो हाईएस्ट माउंटेन है, रेंज है माउंटेन, वो पैसिफिक की मुआना लुआ है एंड हिमालय जो है एशिया का हाईएस्ट माउंटेन है. देन वी हैव प्लेट्यू हाईलैंड बट विद फ्लैट टॉप, सो इट इज कॉल्ड टेबल लैंड. इट इज सेपरेटेड बाय द सराउंडिंग एरिया. जो सराउंडिंग एरिया होता है उससे सेपरेटेड होते हैं. नाउ इम्पोर्टेंस, वेजिटेशन इन प्लेट्यूज डिफर फ्रॉम रीजन टू रीजन. जो लो प्लेट्यूज होते हैं दे आर ऑफ्टन सुटेबल फॉर एग्रीकल्चर, लेकिन जो हाई प्लाट्यू होते हैं वो आपके कैटल और शीप रियरिंग के लिए उनको यूज करा जाता है. देन सम प्लेट्यूज आर एक्सट्रीमली लार्ज एंड दे कवर हंड्रेड्स ऑफ किलोमीटर. डेक्कन प्लेट्यू इन इंडिया, इट इज अ लार्ज प्लेट्यू व्हिच एक्सटेंड ओवर योर 8 स्टेट. Plateau rich in mineral resources. For example, Chota Nagpur Plateau in India is rich in coal, iron ore, bauxite, manganese, copper. Some of the plateau have deep canyons like Great Canyon in Colorado Plateau of the southwestern United States. Then we have plains. So plains are large area of flatlands that extend over thousands of kilometers. They are high or low points plains. They have gentle slope. जिनकी slope होती है वो gentle होती है. They are formed by rivers that rise in the mountain and flow down. River carries sand and silt along and deposit them on riverbank. Right? Plains are found near the sea coast on the interior of the continent. So let's study about its importance. So we can say that plains are the areas that are usually well populated because soil and terrain are good for farming. Agriculture become a major occupation of the people living in the plains. Roads and railways are easily built between a rural town and cities. Most of the big cities and towns are found here in the plains. And large industries जैसे textile हो गई, automobile, iron and steel, they have well developed because of connectivity and transport facilities. Thick forests usually thrive on plains. In humid climate, grasslands, coastal plains or regions are ideal fishing sites. ये कुछ ideal fishing sites. Next is desert. Desert क्या है? आपका barren land है, जो क्या receive करता है? बहुत कम rainfall, very little rainfall. The region has arid or semi-arid climate. ये hot होते हैं days, nights बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी होती हैं. Storms are common in all seasons. Sand dunes or hill of sand are many common features. Right? Now, what are its importance? Let's study about the importance of desert. First is यहाँ पे extreme climate होता है, days बहुत ज़्यादा hot होकर और night बहुत ठंडी होती है. Sand dunes are the small hills जो आपको यहाँ देखने को मिलती है. And when wind carries sand from one place to another, उन्हें हम sand dunes कहते हैं. वेजिटेशन जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा लेस है, बहुत लिटिल है क्योंकि रेनफॉल बहुत कम है. Desert plants include cacti and date palm. Oases are areas in desert where water is found. Date palm यहाँ पे grow करता है. Then we have river. It is a what it is? It is a natural large stream of water that flows toward ocean, lake, sea, or another river. During the course of this journey, it passes through three different stages. पहला stage क्या होता है? Upper or youthful stage, right? In this stage, river flows rapidly down the mountain slopes और cut करती है mountain forming valleys. Second is its mature stage जब river plain में enter करती है और अपनी different tributaries को join करती है. It deposits silts on its sides, making land fertile. थर्ड स्टेज को हम ओल्ड स्टेज कहते हैं, जो मूवमेंट होती है रिवर की बहुत ज्यादा स्लो हो जाती है, जैसे सुंदरबन डेल्टा हो गया आपका, राइट. नाउ दिस इज ऑल अबाउट इन दिस चैप्टर वी हैव कंप्लीटेड. होप यू अंडरस्टूड. वी विल मीट इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. थैंक यू.